कश्मीर यूनिवर्सिटी की पेशकश
कश्मीर यूनिवर्सिटी रेडियो डाइजेस्ट।
कश्मीर यूनिवर्सिटी रेडियो डाइजेस्ट के सामईन को पेशकारो मेज़बान तारिक अब्दुल्ला खावर का खुलूस बरा सलाम। आज के शुमारे के मौज़ूआत: ऋषि और सूफ़ी रिवायात के मौजू पर सहरोज़ा सेमिनार की इफ्तिताई तकरीब का खुलासा और रिजर्वेशन के मौजू पर शोबे कानून के एहतमाम से मुबाहिसे का इनेकाद। मौज़ूआत की तफसील से पहले सामईन आपको याद दिला दें कि 26 अक्टूबर दिन के 2:30 बजे एक जोरदार जलजले ने पूरी वादी को हिला के रख दिया। रिक्टर स्केल पर 7.5 मैग्नीट्यूड के इस जलजले का मरकज हिंदू कुश पहाड़ था। वादी में अगरचे हरकत कलब बंद होने की वजह से 2 खवातीन की मौत वाक़ा हो गई, ताहम जलजले की वजह से कोई बड़ा जानी माली नुकसान नहीं हुआ। कश्मीर यूनिवर्सिटी का सारा मला और तमाम इमारतें इस जलजले से महफूज रहीं। अब मौज़ूआत की तफसील। सामईन, पिछले दिनों कश्मीर यूनिवर्सिटी के सेंटर फॉर सेंट्रल एशियन स्टडीज़ ने इंडियन काउंसिल फॉर कल्चरल रिलेशंस और J&K एकेडमी ऑफ आर्ट कल्चर एंड लैंग्वेजेस के बाहमी इश्तिराक से ऋषि और सूफ़ी रिवायात के मौजू पर एक बैनुल-अक़वामी सेमिनार मुनक़िद किया। सेमिनार में रियासत के गवर्नर और यूनिवर्सिटी के चांसलर जनाब NN वोहरा मेहमानी खुसूसी थे। सेंटर फॉर सेंट्रल एशियन स्टडीज़ के डायरेक्टर प्रोफेसर GN खाकी ने खुतबे इस्तकबालिया पेश किया।
14th and 15th centuries in fact constitute one of the prominent and formative phases in the history of Kashmir, as it accommodated for momentous religious and cultural diversities. Its illustrious sons, literateurs, scholars like Rishis and Sufis. In the backdrop of these secular credentials of Rishis and Sufis, Sheikh Sadi Shirazi has rightly said, Bani Adam azai yak digaran, kidar afrenas zi yak jawharan, ki uzve badard awarad rozgar, digar uzuhara naman karar. All human beings are organs of one body. When one is afflicted with pain, others can't rest in peace. Sheikh Muhyiddin Chasti Rahmatullahi alayhi said, Resh bash nesh mabash. Be bound to the wounds. Don't carve out the wounds. So Ibn al-Arabi make love the basis of all religions, which while destroying all other barriers.
वाइस चांसलर प्रोफेसर खुर्शीद इकबाल अंद्राबी ने इस मौके पर कहा कि समाजी तशख़्ख़ुस फराहम करने में रिवायात का अहम रोल है।
Ladies and gentlemen, traditions evolve out of innocent practices that find acceptability in a larger section of the society, sometimes so powerful that they become symbol of the societal identity. The origin of such traditions may have absolutely nothing to do with logic or faith, but have an overwhelming appeal to put individual explanations or faiths on the back burner. Kashmir, ladies and gentlemen, perhaps presents the best example of such accommodative and tolerant culture that makes all individual faiths and logics proud.
कश्मीरियत पर बात करते हुए वाइस चांसलर ने कहा कि सूफी रिवायात मजहबी हम आहंगी और सादगी पर जोर देती हैं।
Kashmiriyat, as it has come to be known, is a blend of Islamic way of tolerance and Hindu way of accommodation. Regardless of whether it emerged as a deviation from the Islamic teaching of Ashab-e-Suhuf or came through as an offshoot of Rishi order, Kashmiriyat has accordingly assimilated collective contributions from Sufi orders like Sohrawardis, Kubravis, Naqshbandis and Qadiris that arrived in Kashmir from Persia, Central Asia, and Rishi order that evolved in the valley itself indigenously in the beginning of the 15th century. Sufi saints didn't necessarily advocate any dramatic, traditional or cultural deviation. Kashmiris were permeated with through Hindu or Buddhist teachings. Therefore, integration and mutual acceptance, as opposed to seclusion, prevailed in the tradition such that Sufis and Rishis became more or less synonymous.
रियासत के गवर्नर और कश्मीर यूनिवर्सिटी के चांसलर जनाब एनएन वोहरा ने सूफी रिवायात को अज़्ज़र नौ बहाल करने की वकालत करते हुए कहा कि पुरानी रिवायात बैनुल मज़ाहिब मकालमों और मबाहिसों को फ़रोग देने में अहम किरदार अदा कर सकती हैं।
This part of the Himalayan region has been home to renowned monks, peers who came to Kashmir from various parts of our country and from abroad. And over the years, Kashmir became known as the garden of saints in the valley of rishis and peers. This symposium being held at a time when, in the name of religion, the world is being torn apart by radical and fundamental ideologies. Conflicts are taking place in many parts of the world. Terrorist violence has emerged as an international phenomenon. The values of tolerance, communal harmony and brotherhood have been severely eroded, and the world at large appears disinclined. If peace and normalcy is to be restored, and humanity is to remain civilized, radical ideologies shall have to be denounced, and collective efforts shall need to be made to revive the centuries-old traditions of tolerance and brotherhood.
जनाब एनएन वोहरा ने इस राय का भी इजहार किया कि माजी की मुश्तरका रिवायात ने मुख्तलिफ फ़िरक़ों में समाजी और मजहबी हम आहंगी को कायम व दायम रखने में अहम रोल निभाया है।
The fact that the people of Kashmir are still devoted to the belief systems which emanate from the Rishi Sufi traditions is evidenced by the admirable existence of a very large number of shrines in the valley and elsewhere in the state, which attract devotees not only from amongst the Hindus and Muslims, but from all other communities and from all over the country. These shared traditions have proven to be crucial for promoting lasting connectivities and close understandings across the communities.
इंडियन काउंसिल फॉर कल्चरल रिलेशंस के डायरेक्टर जनरल जनाब सी राजशेखर और एकेडमिक कोऑर्डिनेटर मोहतरमा कर्मा प्रसाद ने भी इस मौके पर अपने ख्यालात का इजहार किया।
This Hamiast International Symposium is a small attempt on the part of the ICCR, Indian Council for Cultural Relations, to showcase and to celebrate the intangible heritage that we're all proud to inherit, to bring together scholars to explore those traditions and their composite roots and to explore their contemporary relevance and to find the way forward in these troubled times. This symposium provides us an opportunity to rediscover, to reconnect, especially for the benefit of the contemporary society and the future generations.
Over the next 2 days, Hamiast aims to discuss and showcase the Sufi way of life with a special emphasis on its global cross-cultural connect, its common base in India's secular syncretic ideals of Qaumi Yakjehti or universal brotherhood and Kashmir's unique Rishi Sufi traditions.
सेंटर फॉर सेंट्रल एशियन स्टडीज़ के एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर तारिक अहमद रातर ने शुरका और मेहमानों का शुक्रिया अदा किया।
Sir, we are beholden to you from the deeps of our being. I take this opportunity to thank Ms. Kamna Prasad ji. We are grateful to Professor Khurshid Iqbal Indrabi, Honorable Vice Chancellor of University, for presiding over the inaugural function.
सामईन, पिछले दिनों रिजर्वेशंस वर्सेस मेरिट के मौजू पर शोबे कानून ने गांधी भवन में एक मुबाहिसे का एहतमाम किया। शोबे कानून के डीन और हेड प्रोफेसर मोहम्मद अयूब ने खुतबा इस्तिकबालिया पेश किया।
The Department of Law has been organizing wide varieties of debates, especially through the aegis of the Law Society. The basic object of holding this debate is to develop the skills amongst especially the law students, because ultimately, professionally, a law student is dependent upon the level of excellence he or she achieves in oral communication.
खुतबा इस्तिकबालिया के बाद मुख्तलिफ तलबा ने रिजर्वेशंस के इस मौजू पर अपने ख्यालात का इजहार किया।
According to Mandel Committee report, 54% of the nation's population, excluding SCs and STs, are backward. The Commission identified 3,743 castes. These are the people living in vicious circle of poverty, degradation, powerlessness. Father is a bonded laborer. Son too would be forced into bonded labor. Mother is forced into prostitution. Daughter too would meet the same fate. A life with no future, no dreams.
The benefits of reservation are availed by those who don't need it. The worst part is that section of the society is taking advantage who is already doing the good. They don't need reservation, but instead they go for reservation and create so much of mess in the system of reservation.
शोबे कानून के असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर फरीद अहमद ने कहा कि शोबे कानून ने लॉ सोसाइटी के कामकाज को एक नहज पे लिया है.
As a matter of fact, the Law Society has been here for the last, I would say, 1 decade or so. There has already been a very bright past, but what was needed was to institutionalize the working of the Law Society. At the very instance, what we have done, we have made it most representative body in our department, because every semester is duly represented, not only the LLB first semester to the last semester, but BA LLB first semester to last semester. Everybody, every person is represented here. So this is actually the true representative body of our department.
रिटायर्ड जस्टिस बशीर अहमद किरमानी, जो इस प्रोग्राम में मेहमानी खुसूसी थे, ने इस मौके पर तलबा को दौर हाजिर के सरमायादारों और मजदूरों के बारे में आगाह किया.
Every society, there are always these two classes which are a creation of the history by itself, that in this thesis and antithesis. So in this historic march, there are always in every society, you have certain groups which are ahead of others, and there are certain groups which march backward, who don't have anything, who don't have sufficient means. This situation, when it's governed by a setup, by a ruling elite or by a political class who are not very concerned about equality in the subjects, they do not mind much for it. But when such a political class comes into being, comes to rule, who are concerned with equality among the subjects, equality of citizens, therefrom this concept of reservation takes its birth.
जस्टिस किरमानी ने तलबा को नसीहत करते हुए कहा कि रिजर्वेशन वर्सेस मेरिट के इस मुबाहिसे और मकमसे से बाहर आने के लिए उन्हें हकीकी जिंदगी की सूझबूझ पैदा करनी चाहिए.
If we have a theme of life, then this merit and reservation debate will not arise at all. Because a person who claims he is meritorious, he may if there is a theme of life, he may sacrifice or he may offer to join his sheet with a person whom he feels is not meritorious, but who deserves at the same time to be along his side. That you can cultivate in the human beings only through an idea of life. Idea you are not giving, you are providing opportunities to a particularly defined class, and you are excluding those who don't come within that very small, very narrow, very limited definition. So this question of this reservation and meritocracy and that there's idiosyncrasy, this will always continue to rise.
तकरीब के इख्तिताम पर शोबे कानून की असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर सईद आसिमा रिफाई ने शुराका और मेहमानों का शुक्रिया अदा किया.
Let me express our sincere gratitude and appreciation to the guest of honor, Honorable Justice B.A. Kirmani, Member, State Accountability Commission, Jammu and Kashmir. I also express my gratitude to panel of judges, Professor Farooq Ahmed Masoodi, Professor Bashir Ahmed Ganai, who have graced this occasion with their presence here today.
अब चलते चलते एक इतला. प्राइवेट कॉलेजों में बीएड सेशन सन 2015-16 के लिए दरख्वास्तें जमा करने की आखिरी तारीख को 10 नवंबर तक बढ़ाया गया है. इसके साथ ही आज के शुमारे का वक्त इख्तिताम पजीर हुआ. इजाज़त लेने से पहले अहले दानिश का कौल. आकाए नामदार सरवर कौनैन जनाब हज़रत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने फरमाया, फहाशी और बदकारी आम होने की वजह से ज़मीन पर ज़लज़ले आते हैं. इसके साथ ही आज के शुमारे का वक्त इख्तिताम पजीर हुआ. पेशकार व मेज़बान तारिक अब्दुल्ला खावर को इजाज़त दीजिए. अल्लाह हाफिज़ व नासिर. सामईन, आपको हमारा आज का शुमारा कैसा लगा? हमें अपनी आरा और तजावीज़ से नवाजते रहिए. हमारा पता है कश्मीर यूनिवर्सिटी रेडियो डाइजेस्ट, मौरिफत डायरेक्टर EMMRC, यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ कश्मीर, श्रीनगर. पिन नंबर 190006. इसके अलावा आप अपनी तजावीज़ ईमेल के ज़रिए भी भेज सकते हैं. हमारा ईमेल ID है KURadiodigest@gmail.com.